Hi, so I'm going to unbox a big package today, and this is The Voices 9th mini album called Trigger. So The Voices are one of my alts, kaya nung merong nag-host ng group order sa Twitter, bumili na agad ako. Siyempre, hindi ako pupahuli. Pero, well, matagal siya dumating kasi normal ETA siya. So, in-order ko to noong November and nung isang araw lang dumating and kagabi ko lang na-unbox to. So, ayan, meron pang freebie si seller. So, thank you at Kimabin Sales on Twitter for hosting this group order and securely delivering it to my home. So, ayan, meron tayong tatlong versions. The orange one is the Riot version and the blue one is called Flash version. And the white one, the black and white one is Vanguard version. So, unbox ko siya one by one. So, starting off with the orange version, which is called the Riot version. So, ayan, malaking box. And meron siyang lace na kapag pinul mo para siyang magiging handle. Pwede mo siyang gawing bag. Ayan, meron siyang i-rip off mo talaga siya para ma-open. Pero I decided na sa ilalim na lang buksan. Kasi nabuksan naman. Kasi pwede naman siya ibalik. So, para buo pa rin yung box niya. So, ayan yung inclusions. Meron tayong CD. And we have a sticker pack containing the tracks na meron yung album. So, Bite Back, Slip Away, Bad, Rewind, Trigger, the title track, and They See Me Dream. Yan yung titles ng mga kanta na nandun sa album. So, let's see the photo book. Maganda yung quality niya ha. At ang ganda rin talaga nung quality din as in nung mga photos. Siyempre, yung mga face cards naman nila, hindi naman papahuli. Duh. So, yan. Let's see. Oh, it's the hard. And I got my bias. It's Kevin. Kevin, oh yeah. Okay, na ano ko yung postcard. Na-spoil agad ako dun sa postcard. Ayan, so okay. Tinuloy ko na yung pagbubuklat dun sa photo book. So, ayan, meron tayong lyrics page. And the credits page. So, ayan. May group to pa sa likod. So, ayan, tatanin ko yung mga photo cards at saka yung card sticker. Ayan, ang ating card sticker si Sonu. Ayan. Yung card sticker pwede mong idikit sa credit card or debit card. Ayan. And the first photo card is Juyeon. The second one would be Eric. Ayan. Nakaganda ng pulse ko. That thing. Okay, wala tayong bias line dyan. This is the blue one. Anyway, let's go to the Flash version. Ayan. There you go. So, gusto ko rin tong version na to kasi medyo whimsical yung theme. Parang medyo magical. May pagka-magical, may pagka underworld yung theme. So, ayan. So, CD ulit.
Here are the stickers.
And we have a sticker pack na ibang-iba dun sa una. Ibang kulay niya, yan. So, I like na iba yung kulay para may variety naman siya. So, ayan yung tracks na nandun sa album. Okay. If I could pick a favorite, and it would be Bad. Chill yung vibe and it's something you would listen to every day. Anyway, so ayan, inilis ko muna yung postcard para hindi na ako ma-spoil agad dun sa member na nandun sa postcard na yun. Oh, yan. Ganda yung concept nung photo book. Yan yung bias ko, Kevin. That's Jacob. That's Sonu. That's new. May other bias. And yung group photos. Okay, the lyrics page and the credits page. So, pinul ko na ulit yung mga photo cards. And ayan, meron tayong photo sa ilalim nung pinilalagyan ng mga photo cards. And our card sticker would be Yenje. Yan, trade ko to dun sa kaibigan ko, si Kath. Hi, Kath. Trade tayo. So, ito-trade ko yun sa kanya kasi siya ang bias niya. And for the first photo card, it's Haknyeon. Trade ko rin yan kay Kath. Bias niya yan. Nasa bias line niya yan. And that's my bias, si Kevin. So, ayan ang
So,
ating
here are my
polls for
polls
this
for
version.
the Flash version.
Ay, yan pala yung postcard si Eric. And the last one would be the Vanguard version. This is my most favorite version of all. Ewan ko ang iba lang yung atake nung lahat ng members dito. Maganda yung monochromatic color nung mga photos. It works well with the Vanguard concept. Ayan. So, ayan, CD. And the sticker pack, which is on another color na naman. Okay. Okay, let's see through the photo book. Oh, okay. Nagal ko muna yung postcard. Grabe ng pagkabuklat ko nung first page. I was like, whoa! Bungad agad yung bias ko and he looks so good. He's so good. Everyone looks good in this version. As in talagang they give it their all in this version. At saka ang ganda nung outfits nila. So, ayan. That's Changmin. Yan. Okay, that's Hangyeon. That's Sangyeon. And Eric. Okay, Sono. And that's Yoonghun. Okay, the lyrics page. And okay, we're pulling out the photo cards tsaka yung card sticker. Ayan, yung postcard ay si Eric. Again. And our card sticker is Q or Changmin. And our first photo card is Haknyeon, Trade ko rin ka. And the second one is Q. Ito yung post ko from all the versions of Trigger. So, dinikit ko na rin yung card sticker sa isa kong debit card. And that is it for my unboxing. Thank you so much for watching.